Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Graecy Concepts. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly do so, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So for today's training, I'll be teaching you how to tie around gele, a normal pleated gele for beginners. So for this training, we'll be needing our manicure, our dummy head, since I don't have anybody to use, so I'll be needing this. Then I'll also be needing my ashoke. This is how an ashoke look like. This gele I'll be using is by 3. You can see it's by 3. I'll also be needing my office pin. This is how the pin is. So these are the 3 stuff I'll be working with. Let's get started. The first step is you fold your gele into 70 and 30. Like one part should be longer than the other one. I just use my hair to measure the gele into 70. The longer part is 70 while the other side is 30. Then you place it firmly on the gele, just like the way you seen it. You place it firmly like this. Then you fold 1 inch inside. Then place it firmly on the gele. Then hold it very well on the dummy. Hold it very well. Then you make your base. Your base split 1 gently, 2, 3. That's the 4th one. Okay, the 5th one. If your gele is very long, you can make as many pleats as you want, but not too much. Just do the one you are comfortable with. Then you hold the other side. If you're using a client's head, you ask the client to hold the other side for you while you arrange one part so that it can be firm. Then you can ask your client to hold it down. But since I don't have anybody here, I will just use my other leg to hold it down while I arrange the other side. You arrange gently, just the way you pleated it. Just pick it one after the other, like this. Yes, then you hold it very well. You then turn it to the back. For the back, if you are crossing this your gele at the back, you need to be very conscious, because if you cross it wrongly, your gele will never be balanced. So always make sure that the longer part comes under while the shorter one comes on it. Like you arrange it, then don't just pack everything. You arrange it gently, the longer one under while the shorter one above it. Then you arrange it, you drag it, arrange it very well. Then you face it to the front. Yeah, if you are doing it on a client, it's different, but you just the same process. It's actually different because you have your clients or someone holding it for you, but this one there's nobody. That's why it's kind of looking so stressful, but you just follow the same process and you will get it. Still maintaining the same 1 inches I started with at first. Yes, I will just maintain it so that my gele will be balanced round. If that line is slant, it's going to form something else, so just try and make sure that line is very straight. Then I've started my pleats gently, one after the other. You don't rush, you just have to be patient while doing your gele. Don't rush it. You can see the way I'm doing it gently, one after the other. There's something I'm working with. I'm working with that line where they join it so that my gele will be balanced. I'm working with it. You can see it's equal from where I'm holding it downward. So just split. So just continue like that. You pleat, pleat gently. You have to be patient. Don't rush it. Make sure that if you pick one, you adjust it downward very well. Don't pick one and drop it before they move to the other one. Make sure you adjust it downward very well so your gele will be very balanced. Okay, gently, pick gently. You go. You're almost there. We're almost there. So you pick it gently, gently, pick it gently, pick it gently. We're almost there. It's just many one part. And again, let me just quickly chip something. The way you join your gele also matters. If your gele is wrongly joined, you will have issues while pleating. So always take your ashoke to someone that know how to join ashoke very, very well. So that you will not have problem or issues while pleating your gele. You can see we're almost done. You have to finish with one part of the gele first before you move to the other side. Adjust once you're done with the first side half, you adjust it very well before you can extend it downward. Okay, this is it. Make sure you arrange it very well, arrange very well. Make sure all the pleats are firmly arranged. Then you can now extend it downward. You can extend it downward. Yeah. Okay. If you are finding it difficult to arrange it from down, you can pick from up too. Okay. Just watch you. Okay, just pull it down. You arrange it gently, one after the other. You can arrange it and after the other gently, so everywhere will be arranged. Gently, 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 gently. Just follow the way you started it. Pick them one after the other and it will be firm. Pick them one after the other. One after the other. You just follow the same way too. Arrange them backward, still following the same pattern. You pick them one after the other. One after the other, you just pick them like that. One after the other. So that your gele will be round. Then after you pick some, you attach it to that other half you were holding, like you were having. Just pick one edge from the short side and from the longer part, then you tie. So that it will make the down of the pleats very, very firm. You just tie it very well. We have different method of tying, but I feel this is the easiest one that you can learn. And if you tie that first part, you arrange it. You arrange Then you can arrange the other side so you can tie it for the second time. You can tie it for the second time. Just arrange it firmly. Arrange it gently. Just going to pin it. Pin it that way. Then I'll use the remaining half. Just secure it with my office this way. Then I'll face it forward, then I'll balance everything to make sure my pleats didn't shift. I'll just arrange it that way. Okay, it's balanced now. So you can either leave your gele open or you can close it. You can either leave it open. Maybe if the client is carrying a hair that she pack upward, you can decide to leave the hair open. And if she's not on any hair, maybe she didn't make her hair, you can close it. You can see now I want to close it. See if I'm closing it. I can leave it open this way. See, you fold it upward like this to leave it open. Then you can bring it down. If you don't want it open, you can bring it down to close. So you just cover it with the other one just to make your work look very, very neat. I'm just going to secure everything with my pin. My gele is not that long, so I just have to manage it. You might not always end up like this. Maybe yours can be bigger, so you just use your initiative to just create something at the back. Just create a design to cover it. So I'm just going to secure it. Secure all the side that I feel it will lose. So that's it, guys. I'll still adjust it. Since I use my legs, some part might have shifted backward, so I'll just adjust it again. You can do this in your house. You can practice this on someone's head. If you have a dummy, you can do this in your house. Just make sure everything is neat. So this, guys, this is just a simple step to tie a beginner friendly gele, round gele. If you follow my method, you're going to get it right. Leave a comment below if you want me to do another one on this gele. Just drop a comment for me, I'll reply it, and also drop a comment on the kind of gele you want me to do next. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, this is it. This is the outcome of the gele. You can do this in your house. It's very simple. The steps are simple and very easy. Just follow exactly what I did and you can achieve this. It's a beginner's gele. This is it. You can see. Just follow my step and you get it. Yeah. Take care.